How could we not make mention of the fact that the two teams in this season's the Costa Cup final vying for the symbol of rural area schoolboy football supremacy? Those two schools are Clarendon College and Glenmuir High. Also, the two teams in the final of the prestigious All-Ireland Champions Cup are the same, Clarendon College and Glenmuir High. Also, of the four teams that made it to the Costa Cup semi-finals, Garvey Massio made it 3 of the 4 semi-finalists from Clarendon. Of course, this could be all coincidental, luck, and good fortune, and has nothing to do with the structure and the administrative organization of Clarendon's football. It might well be that the Clarendon schools generally have good football programs, so they recruit better and more aggressively by taking talent from other schools and other parishes. Whatever it is though, one thing for sure, in schoolboy football this season, so far, there's only one done. And that done is Clarendon.